Hey guys, how are you? Maybe you already work with this fantastic new version of Filament 3. Can you see this input here? It's green, okay? It's green because my boss wants it to be green. Now if I go to dark mode, it's also green, but it has a dark green. The placeholder is also green. If I type in it, the letters are white or gray. Well, the first step to achieve this is very easy. You give this field an ID, then it has an ID in the HTML markup. Well, yeah, and then you address this ID here, and then you can say add apply, and then BG green, and when it's dark, BG green 900, and so on, placeholder, and so on. Looks easy, right? But the problem was, and I don't even want to tell you how long I needed to figure this out. The problem was, how do I compile this into my filament? So first I tried a render hook. So I said, okay, let's put the header end. Where is it? Header end. Here, head end. And then you can include your own style sheet, but it doesn't really help because then you cannot use this dark modifiers, for example, because it's not passed through Tailwind. And yeah, of course, I tried out the normal app CSS under resources CSS, but here, forget it. You cannot do anything because this is not the CSS that Filament uses. Then I asked a friend and the friend said, yeah, you have to use a custom form field like Dan shows in this fantastic, by the way, really good course on Laracasts. Really good course. There's nothing to say against this course. It's a great course. But I said, no, I'm not gonna create a custom input field just to make it green. Yeah, and then I typed CSS into the search. I saw, registering the CSS files. I tried out that one. You have to do it inside of your service provider. I did it. I registered it. But again, it didn't work because of this Tailwind not being parsed problem. Yeah, and by the way, ChatGPT also couldn't help me. I used my internet plugin. It searched, but it said, oh, sorry, I don't have information right now. And here comes finally the solution that I waited for a long time, but you waited for it. I hope not too long, 3 minutes of this video. The solution is you go to Panel Builder, then you go to Themes, then you say creating a custom theme. You run this artisan command that creates you your own CSS file here and your own Tailwind config file even. Yeah, and then you just copy this line into read config.js like here. Then you copy this into your admin panel provider like I did here. And then in your new CSS, you can do whatever you want. Damn, bloody hell. Yeah, so right now I'm writing this huge document where I write everything up that I find out on the way of creating the relaunch for my boss's company. And yeah, soon I'm gonna publish this for free on my Laravel Academy. So make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a nice day, evening or night. Stay safe wherever you are. And I hope to see you again. Bye.